Here I've got Cubot Max 2 and let me show you how to grab a screen, how to take a screenshot on the following device. So at first you have to open some display that we would like to capture. It can be calendar, for example. And if you would like to show someone your plans for October, simply tap on power key and the volume down key, hold both of them all together for about 3 seconds. And that's it. As you can see, the screenshot has been saved. Now you can share it with your friends, you can edit it or delete it. It's all up to you. And let's go to the second method of grabbing a screen in Cubot Max 2. So let me open, for example, the clock. And if you would like to show someone that you have, for example, alarm for 9 o'clock, simply tap on power key, hold it for about 3 seconds and click on screenshot. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done. And now you can find both pictures, both screenshots in your gallery, so simply open the list of all applications. Now locate and open photos. Go to the albums. Tap off. And you will notice screenshots over here, where you will be able to find both screenshots that you just took. So that is all. Now you can obviously share them with your friends, you can edit them, delete them, or do whatever you want with those pictures. It's all up to you. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.